part of my job is to call people on the phone, and I actually rather enjoy calling people on the phone more than writing emails. It's quicker, it's easier to get things scheduled, and it's more of a personal interaction for me than to write an email. Calling people on the phone causes a lot of anxiety for students, and so here are a few tips on what you can do to help make it a little bit easier. First thing that I always do in networking is to start off by writing an email introducing yourself and letting them know that you'll be following up with a phone call. To be able to make calling somebody I've never talked to before easier, it's to write out what I wanted to say before I actually called. So I would write down my message that I would like to leave, and so I would say, "Hi, my name is Nate Hintze. I'm calling to set up a time to talk with you about X position or your organization, and I'm really interested in reaching you, but I'm happy to make myself available whenever you're available. And here's my phone number." And so I would write it out, read it out loud a couple of times, and make sure that I could read it and have it sound like I wasn't reading it. If you're completely afraid of actually talking to somebody on the phone the first time, a couple of tips that I actually have used myself is to look at what time the organization opens and closes and call right before they open. Most likely, if you can get it 5 to 10 minutes before they open, you're able to leave a message, and they'll get it first thing, and then you can wait for them to call you back that day. Also, I've done it right after 5 o'clock and said, "Oh, I'm sorry that I've missed you. I look forward to speaking with you tomorrow. Let me know if there's a time that you're available." Never pick up a phone call from a number you don't already know the number. So that way you're not in Thorn in the lunch line and you have a potential employer calling you, and you're picking up the phone and also talking to your friends at the same time. So put that right into voicemail. Go outside or go to a place where you can call them right back and say, "Oh, I just missed your phone call. Is this still a good time to talk?" That way you can hear their message, get yourself in a good position to talk to them, and then call them right away and then have your conversation.